Alright, what's good everybody? It's your boy Mewtwo, and today I've recently ordered a package. It is TV and network cables. I'm really happy to be doing this unboxing of TV and network cables. Pretty hype. Been looking forward to this for a long time. It's been in transit for like a week and a half. And yeah, so let's open it. I don't have a scissor, so I'm gonna use a pencil. Use a tactical pencil to cut the tape. There we go. One side open. And I think it comes over here. Kind of hard to do this out of frame. It's one side over here. Let me just pencil this side. Oh, I'm just writing on the box. That's great. And there we go. Both these sides are loose. These are very strangely boxed for a TV and network cable set. I haven't usually seen it like this. There's these sides there. Okay, let me put it on the side. Let me get these sides open. My pencil broke. That's fun. Ooh. There we go. And it's like I have to get a third edge open as well. Right, tape. Is this just gonna peel for me? Yeah, it's just gonna peel for me. That's nice. Ooh, there we go. And it's off. Alright. Tape's off. Let's get a look at this. Alright, so we have a lot of bags. This is very nicely bagged up. What? This isn't. This what? That's not a cable net.